हम लंच वंच करके अभी हो गए तैयार। यहाँ बहुत बारिश हो रही थी यार, बहुत ज़्यादा। अभी तो क्लियर है। मैं थोड़ा अभी मिलने जा रहा हूँ मेरी मासी से, जो कि यहाँ से 30 मिनट्स की दूरी में रहते हैं। माई फूफा जी इज़ कमिंग टू पिक मी अप, सो आई जस्ट गॉट रेडी। It's been a while that I saw them. The last time I met them was in Bali when we had a family get together for my brother got off reception. And yeah, I'm very excited to meet them here in Washington. Waiting for Masaji to come and pick me up. So let's take you to my Masi's house.
Shillong.
Right, as I told you, my show was coming to meet me up. Suraj has also joined me, and here is my Meshu.
Hello,
Hi to
hello.
And now we're going to our house in DC. I think it's not DC.
No, it's still Virginia. State is Virginia. Town is Fairfax.
Okay.
DC is about another half an hour from.
We plan to go to DC tomorrow, so we'll take you there. We are here finally. So as I told you guys, here I am with my Mashi who looks like my mom. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Cheers.
Just some ice and some good drinks for us. And this is the house, the beautiful house where my Mesho and Mashi lives. And the sleepy man with the coffee. How do you feel, brother?
I feel very nice.
One sip and then you'll feel even better. How's the coffee?
It's good.
Eyes open.
Yeah. Eyes opening coffee.
Let's take you guys to the basement. Wow. Oi. We should live here.
Today, na?
Look. What is?
Wait. Let me film first.
Ooh. I think we are staying here. We're not going back to the hotel. Oh, wow. They're LP, man. Look at this.
That's from Guwahati.
This one?
Yeah.
Anand Shankar and his music. Sharmili. And there's a pool table. हमारा खेल के हो गया। मेशो ने बहुत अच्छा खेला। ये अभी भी ट्राई कर रहा है कोशिश कुमार। And I'll introduce you to my brother who's come to meet me, and it's very sweet of him that he did. And here is our cute little baby. And my Masi has made all this for us.
Good boy. Come here.
And that's my brother Shamik.
Oh, you go.
I can't tell you his other name, but yeah, it's sweet. Shamik is what I know. We met each other long ago, 2003, 2000. This is the dining area. Or
Taking the tour. This is the piano.
oh wow, Munu will be so happy to see this.
Huh? Not a lot.
A little bit. No. He can play.
And we are going upstairs. Hey, I see Mumu and Ruhi. Wow.
Yeah.
So my cousin Ruhi. It's Mumu. Susmita Di's room. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this on
You're
my
not
vlog.
allowed, but it's okay.
Yeah. Now it's shown.
That's it. You can't go back now.
This is a messy guest room.
I'm gonna be sleeping here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah.
Though I'm not a guest, am I?
This used to be my room.
It haven't studied, it's a mess. It's a year study.
Believe it or
Oh,
not,
the
it
paper.
was messier when I lived in there.
Hey, it's nice. Cute room.
It's
And this is
bedroom.
nice. Very cozy, very nice. You got the house tour, home tour, and then we go down again. Okay guys, so for tonight we are leaving. It's क्या time हो रहा है? 9:30 p.m. and we are heading back to the hotel. We had a wonderful time, you saw, and we are planning to come back for a jam. So I'll see if that's possible very soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much. এটা কে ধরে নাও?
There's like
And Shamik is dropping us back to the hotel.
yeah.
And-
Someone's riding with Winston.
Yeah.
Someone is sitting in the back with me.